Expand your academic vocabulary. Master collocations for results and findings. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the world of academic English by focusing on the topic of collocations for results and findings. This topic is incredibly important if you're conducting research or writing academic papers, as it helps you express your results and findings more accurately and professionally. Before we dive into our specific topic, let's briefly recall what collocations are. Collocations are words that naturally go together in English. Using the right collocation can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Remember, not every word that has a similar meaning will fit in the same sentence. Now, let's look at some common collocations for results and findings that you can use in your academic writing. 1. Present the findings. This collocation is often used to introduce the results of your research in an objective way. 2. Obtain results. You can use this phrase to discuss the results you got from an experiment or study. 3. Demonstrate evidence. This is a strong phrase used to show proof of your claims or findings. 4. Draw a conclusion. After presenting your results and discussing them, you'll likely want to show what these results mean, and this phrase is commonly used to do just that. Remember, these are just a few examples. The English language is rich in collocations, so the more you read and write, the more you'll discover. Next, let's see how to use these collocations in sentences. Here are some examples. 1. In the next section, we will present the findings of our research. 2. After conducting the experiment, we were able to obtain results that confirmed our hypothesis. 3. The data we collected demonstrate evidence of a significant trend. 4. Based on our findings, we can draw the conclusion that the treatment was effective. Practicing these collocations will help cement them in your memory. So, let's do some exercises. Try to complete the sentences with appropriate collocations. 1. After months of fieldwork, we finally managed to blank. 2. Our study blank that there is a strong correlation between these two factors. 3. In this paper, we blank from our recent study on climate change. 4. Based on the data presented, we blank about the effectiveness of the new policy. That's it for today. We hope this video helps you improve your academic English vocabulary, particularly when you're discussing results and findings. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep reading, keep writing, and most importantly, keep learning. We'll see you in the next video.